आणि तुला तुझं घर कसं वाटलं?
खूप छान.
The highlight of this house is definitely the hall. Since it's a reconstruction project, the builder had provided us with a fall ceiling, so we were very skeptical and we did not actually want to break it. But few designs that WDC shared with us, we actually thought that yes, this can be a better and it can be a showpiece for whoever enters our dream house rather.
It's really our dream home because we were waited for this house to be built for quite some long time. So and when the final product come like this, it's really mesmerizing and as such a dream come true. So we truly called it as our dream home, and it's obviously got possible because of this WDC with Satish Wagh and Sunita Wagh. So we're really grateful and thankful to them. Not even us, whoever is coming to see our home, they were really happy and asking kisne kiya. So it's really a very good thing. And even the people, when the construction work is going on, not the final product, as you can see today, was there with such a minute details. Even the people who were residing besides us, they are coming to us just to see kya chal raha hai, and they are even getting the idea from us ki okay, even this small passage can be utilized in this way, which they have done it. So small place from our house they have utilized, and not a single corner have gone waste.
आमची सिनियर सिटीजन दोघांची जी रूम आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आमच्या दोघांचे फोटो किंवा काही प्रसंगाचे असे फोटो अतिशय सुंदर रीतीने हे केलेले अरेंज केलेले आहेत. तिथे बसलं ना त्या रूममध्ये की आम्हाला जुन्या आठवणी किंवा असं बघूनच खूप छान वाटतं. नातवंड बघितले की आमचा पण वेळ छान जातो आणि जे येतात ते म्हणतात अरे वा म्हणे ही आयडिया फारच सुंदर आहे म्हणून.
स्पेसिफिकली मुलांच्या रूम बद्दल सांगायचं झालं तर दोन्ही मुलांच्या आवडी, कलर चॉईसेस सगळे डिफरंट आहेत आणि दोन्ही मुलं एकच रूम शेअर करत होते. सो त्या दोन्ही त्यांच्या लाइकिंग एका रूममध्ये इनकॉर्पोरेट करणं इट्स रिअली अ चॅलेंज. पण सुनीता आणि सतीशनी ते खूपच छान प्रकारे दोघांचं मिक्सचर घालून दोघांनाही हर्ट न करता दोघांनाही ती रूम आपली स्वतःची वाटावी या पद्धतीने ते इनकॉर्पोरेट केलं.
I'm really happy about the house, especially my room. I love it. It's just how I imagined. Every year I was dreaming about a room, and the dream came true in the best way possible. Thank you.